Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to post the Instagram story from a laptop. Now, if you want to post the Instagram story from a laptop and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. The first step is make sure that your laptop is connected to any strong Wi-Fi. So if you are not connected, make sure to connect it. Secondly, you just need to open any web browser on the device, and from there you just need to search for the option of Instagram. And if you are not logged into your account, then make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are logged in, then that's good. If you are not logged in, then you just need to log into your account. So after that, you just need to tap on the option of your profile icon, which will be shown at the very top left of the screen. If you want to save the reel, then you just need to tap on the option of three dots next to the reel and click on the option of save to. And here you will see the option of save to thread, save to Facebook, save to Messenger, save to WhatsApp, and all of the things. But you won't see the option of save to Instagram or add this story. So you just need to open your phone again and you just need to add this story on Instagram, and you'll be able to see the story from laptop itself. So that's it. That's how you can add Instagram story on laptop.